A 90-year-old woman sold her house, and the buyers were amazed by what they found inside. Jean was 90 years old and had been living in this house for 72 years. She had lived there with her husband, Hugues, and he died 5 years ago. They had had many fantastic moments. But now it was time for Jean to sell her house and move to a retirement home, because she couldn't take care of herself anymore and she needed help on a daily basis. Seen from the outside, the house looked quite normal. And it was very hard for Jean to sell this house in which she had lived very beautiful memories. When the time came for her to sell this house, she was in tears and inconsolable. Despite the fact that her children were there to support her and the buyers, they did not expect to find this in the house. They had concluded the sale of this house, and seen from the outside, it seemed to be in poor condition. The buyers believed they had snagged the property for an astonishingly reasonable price, sparking whispers of potential hidden issues. But as they crossed the threshold, their reservations evaporated. Inside, they were met with unexpected elegance and craftsmanship, leaving them utterly spellbound by their new acquisition. Follow us and find out what happened next on Part 2.